Welcome to an advanced watch folder tutorial for Peernet's Document Conversion Service, DCS for short. This video will show you how to configure the watch folder service to extract and convert any attachments and embedded images in Outlook message files, as well as convert the Outlook message file itself. This includes controlling what attachments are converted and recursively processing the attachments that are Outlook messages themselves. To edit the watch folder configuration file, we first need to make sure that watch folder service is stopped. Open the Start menu, click Document Conversion Service, and select Stop Watch Folder Service. Open the watch folder configuration file by opening the Start menu, clicking Document Conversion Service, and selecting Configure Watch Folder Settings. Scroll down to the watch folder section that you would like to edit. In this case, we will edit the default watch folder section called Convert to TIFF. Then we will scroll down to the Message Attachments portion of the watch folder section. We need to uncomment the line Pre-Process Archive Formats Filter in order to turn on message extraction in this watch folder section. We do this by removing these symbols. We can control if the message extension is included in the name of the subfolder that will contain the message and its attachments. The default is true, and we'll leave it like that. Inline attachments are images and documents that are pasted directly into the email message. A good example is an email signature. If you choose to include inline attachments, you can also control which file types of inline attachments to convert or exclude. The default is to include inline attachments, but if you wish to not convert inline attachments, then just set Pre-Process Archive Message Include Inline Attachments to false. We will leave this as true. Which attachments are converted can be controlled using the Pre-Process Archive Message Attachments Include filter and the Pre-Process Archive Message Attachments Exclude filter settings. For example, if you do not want to convert any JPEG images attached to the message, it is easier to enter .jpg and .jpeg in Pre-Process Archive Message Attachments Exclude filter in order to exclude these file types, as opposed to entering every other file type that you do want into the Pre-Process Archive Message Attachments Include filter. Now that we've set our message archive extraction settings, save the watch folder configuration file. Restart the watch folder service so that it picks up our new settings by clicking Start, Document Conversion Service, and Start Watch Folder Service. Now all Outlook message files dropped into the Convert to TIFF input file will be converted to TIFF, along with any attachments and inline attachments that are not JPEG files. You can find these settings explained further in the user guide under Converting Files with DCS, Processing Outlook Message Attachments. Be sure to check out our Getting Started series for Document Conversion Service, or watch some of our more advanced tutorials to learn how to customize DCS further and achieve optimal conversion performance. We are always available to help with configuration and answer any questions you have about setup or the product. If you haven't done so already, follow the link below and download your free trial.